And first off, I would start off by reading this book to incorporate the theme of counting to 100. And basically, standard 1.1 says that the students need to know how to count and read whole numbers up to 100. So I know that we try to limit worksheets as educators, but this is really important and vital that students not only know how to recite numbers up to 100, but actually write the numbers up to 100. So this would be my big assessment right here, that students know how to actually physically write up numbers up to 100. And for my second activity is standard 1.2, compare and order whole numbers up to 100. And it's just a lima bean comparison. And what I have here are different lima beans, and they're numbered. And I have cards for the students to work together in pairs. Find beans less than 20 and put in one group. Find beans greater than 50 and put in another group. So they would be working together on that activity. And then for activity number 3, represent equivalent forms of the same number through the use of a physical model or diagram. Basically right here, I would have them do a math game of addition with bowling, and I would give them like a small little ball that would represent a bowling ball. And for instance, if they were to knock down 5 and 7, they would have to set it up. I don't know if you guys could see it right here, but 5 plus 2 equals 7. So they just get used to writing that physical model of number sentences. And for activity number 4, it's to count and group objects in ones and tens. And I don't know if you guys remember, but a few weeks ago we watched a video, and there was students, and they were using Unifix cubes, and they were on the floor. And basically it was a competition against 2 students to see who got the most. But also when they were done, they actually had to group them in tens and ones. And then for my last activity, 1.5 is to identify and know the value and show different combinations for coins. So students would work together on this activity. And I have different cards here, like make 99 cents with pennies, nickels, and dimes and quarters. So basically they would have to record it, and I would give them these coins right here. They would have to record how many nickels, how many pennies, and how many dimes. And just to incorporate the theme of 100 and the concept of 100, I would have this chart placed in every single center. That way it just reinforces that to the students. And to assess, I have a chart right here, and every student would be given a sticker based off their completion of each center. But this right here would be my big assessment, the worksheet, to know that they actually know how to physically write numbers up to 100. And that's my section.
Good, thank you.